Good Lord, look at that dime piece. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't done a video on caffeine and cars in a while because we just have so many of them, so we just kind of usually hang out. But today, so if you guys don't know, we always do caffeine and cars, and now that the gym's open, we used to do them at other local businesses. Now that the gym is open, we always do them at the gym, and we bring in local businesses, and everyone comes in, they bring their cars. It's a free show, and really the purpose of it is to give back to the community. So today is the Back to School Foundation. So we're doing a bunch of back to school supplies today. So everyone comes, they bring their car. You don't have to donate, but most people usually do. And so yeah, today is just back to school because school starts in a couple weeks. And see you guys over there.
All right, so a couple of our clients.
I bought a new car, man. Welcome to the channel, boys.
Counting didn't buy nothing. Look at that. So a couple of our clients brought their own cars today from Hereford. So like got to park them up front. I think this is a Cougar, isn't it? Yeah, it is. Look at that color. Holy smokes. Damn.
Dude, this is fully original.
Well, I think they rebuilt it because it looks brand new. Hey, that's sweet.
Are you having to unload it?
I guess. We have been tasked with unloading. Corvette. It's got a A&A blower on it. I think it's pretty sweet. What kind of mint this thing is. Literally looks brand new. And man-trans. Hopefully I can drive it. Just kidding, I've driven this thing a few times. I think that's something ridiculous. Oh yeah, 3,000 miles. Corsa exhaust, A&A blower, 3,000 original miles. Pretty damn sweet. One ZR1 of 3 ZR1s, actually 4. There's another one over there too. Woo! Oh, shout out the vlog. Hey, Misa. Kevin's first. Yeah, it's at home on Jack's Tips.
Let me take a picture of Kevin's car.
Every time Kennedy wants to take a photo.
They even saw me.
Look at this turnout though. It's pretty sick. It kind of looks like it's gonna rain, but we'll be all right. We'll make it. A young Kennedy Kinder gets in the shot. Look at the lens. You know they make fun of people that have the hood on backwards, right?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay.
I don't really
You're
care.
that person right now. Kennedy's gonna be a meme later.
It's fine.
What's like your settings, bro?
Like auto ISO.
And of course, good old John flexing on me like always. Damn it, John. Oh my God, this is huge next to mine.
Maybe you should lift yours.
What? I even got the leveling kit on too. It didn't help much. God damn it, John. Is that a Supra? The Mustang on bags, always looking good. Oh, here goes Kennedy. Look at that. That looks good.
Comment down below if I should.
Guys, if you don't remember, we said at 50K we would get Kennedy a Mustang. We're only like 13,000 away. It's actually not that far.
2 years from now.
Wow.
Slowest growing YouTube channel ever.
At me. At me. Ridiculous. There's another ZR1 right there. So there's 3 C7 ZR1s. There's actually supposed to be one more. There's a ZL1 1LE. There's a C6 ZR1. GT500 coming soon, but why is there so many ZR1s here?
It's a sign we get one.
Yeah, that's what we really need, honestly. Comment down below. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed those couple clips from Caffeine and Cars. I should have filmed more, but I was kind of just hanging out with everybody. But today, we are actually foaming up the truck. The truck's super dirty. I was trying to clean it yesterday, but I didn't have all my stuff with me. So, we've got some wash buckets out, so we can do the 2 bucket method.
I usually have a screen in them, but I'm missing my screen. Got the power washer out, and then this company, MATCC, actually sent me this new foam cannon. So we're gonna test this thing out. What's really cool is you just spin this. See if you can see it, get in the light. Is you spin that and you can change, it's really hard to do with one hand. You can change how much soap comes out, and then you can change the pressure up here. It's got a little tube, a little screen at the bottom, and it just goes in there. Typically I do like a 50-50 mix of soap to water. Just kind of depends on your concentrate of soap. This chemical, guys, snow foam, is very concentrated, so I usually do like a 50-50. So I'm gonna rinse the truck down once and then put some soap in there, and I'll show you guys how well this thing foams. And hopefully Kennedy is gonna come out here and help soon, because she's a lot better to look at than I am when washing a vehicle. Now I typically would wash closer to like sunset because we don't have that much shade out here, so it tends to get water spots, but my truck's coated so it cleans up pretty easily. And there's some heavy ass Mopar thing in the background, but got the soap in here. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you guys want to pick one of these up after this video. There's a discount code as well, but got some soap in it. We're gonna rinse the truck off and we're gonna foam it up. All right, we got the foam cannon loaded up, and you guys tell me if that's a street car or not.
Hey, John. John, how's it going, bud?
That can't be a street car.
How are your kids?
That's not a street car. This guy's using race gas. What's the technique here, Kennedy?
So you start from the top, work your way down.
You have to have nice legs in order to wash your car this well.
I should be wearing shoes.
Probably. There's nails probably out here. But man, that thing foamed like crazy. So obviously the sun is out, so we're trying to get this soap off as quickly as we can. I had to say that foam cannon works really good. So link in the description below with some discount codes. We're gonna rinse this soap off, we're gonna foam it one more time, and then we'll actually scrub it after the second foam, because this foam really just gets like the grime and dirt off, and then we're gonna foam it again, and then we'll actually scrub the truck down. Alright guys, so there's the foam cannon, MATCC, snow foam cannon. Like I said, link in description below with a discount code, but this thing worked really freaking good. Let's check out the end results. Man, truck is looking killer. So like I said, I like to foam it twice. I'll foam it once, rinse it off, foam it again, and then on the second foam, that's when I'll actually scrub the truck or car, whichever one I'm washing. But man, truck came out super good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some Caffeine and Cars footage. And if you guys haven't been to one and you're local, you should definitely come out. It's always a good time hanging out with some friends, giving back to the community, and looking at some super cool cars. If you guys want to pick up that snow foam cannon gun, like I said, link in description below with the discount code. That thing works phenomenal. I will see you guys on the next video. We got some updates on the Tangstang. We're working on it, and rumor has it might be at the flashlight shootout, but we're gonna see what we can do, see if we can get it ready. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.